Today, shall we learn maths? Yes, I'm not going to teach maths any other problems or anything. We'll see what is the importance of basic mathematics. Basic mathematics. Which are the basic mathematics? What are the basics in it? What are they? Yeah, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the basics, isn't it? So, it is very important you should know the basic. Even now some of them don't know why do we learn this maths, why do we use this multiplication. So first we'll see what is the necessity of this multiplication. Why do we learn the multiplication tables? So one basic thing what you have to know about the mathematics is multiplication. It's tables. Even now there are some children who don't know the multiplication tables properly. So before you come to the multiplication table, we will see why do we use this multiplication table? Why are we learning this multiplication? Yes, shall we say it? Now, do you know addition? Don't you know addition? Yes, you know addition. What is it? If I have this, chalks are here. How many chalks are here? 3 chalks. You know that is 3 chalks. Now one more I have taken. So how many together? 4. So simple. That is, we have added 1. So, 3 plus 1, I got it, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. That is addition. To add, how much is it? Now, if I have taken it out, how many I have taken out? Out of this 4, I have taken 2 out. So, now how many are there in my hand? Balance. How many are they? 2. So, 4 minus 2, it is 2. That is subtraction. How many remaining part? To know about it. Now what is multiplication? That's what we are going to see. Here, look here. Here I am writing a number. Which is this number? 2. The sign, which is the sign we are using for adding, isn't it? 2 plus sign. Plus 2 again I have written. Plus 2, the same number I am going on writing here. This is enough. Yeah. So see, I have written here 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. The same number I have written again and again. Yes, we want to add it. Yes. So we shall add it. Yeah, we will add it. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, what's the answer? 10. Now see, the same number written here. And I have added that and got the answer 2. Instead of going on repeatedly adding it, we will do another way. Shall we see? Yes. Now, tell me how many times I have written here 2. Tell me how many times I have written here 2. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have written here 2 5 times. So, I am writing here 5. Yes. So, you have written here 2, 5. Yes. Then, what's the number I have written here 5 times? It is 2. And this one symbol I am going to use 5 times 2. I want to write here, make it 5 times 2. And the times symbol I am writing here as into. And this is the sign of multiplication. Got it? So what is it? 5 times 2. When I added 5 times this 2, what is the answer I have got? It is 10. So simple. I have written here the answer. Instead of going on adding, if you know the multiplication table of 5, 5 into 2 is 10 if you know. No need of going on adding. If it is 5 times, if you want to add, means you can, without looking anything, you can write a 10. Did you get it? So, did you understand the importance of the multiplication table? So, instead of going on repeatedly adding, if you know the tables properly, you can add it fast and write the answer there. So, in other terms, we can tell that multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication is repeated addition. Yes, multiplication is repeated addition. So, to make your addition, adding easier, we can use this multiplication. Repeated adding you can avoid. Your time can be consumed. Time can be saved. If you know this multiplication table properly. So that is why we are using it. One more example shall we take? Yes. We'll take the number 5. I'm writing here 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to what I have to find out. Yes, we are not going to add it and write here. Instead, by looking at the multiplication table, we are going to write the answer. Yes, so what do you have to do first? This is what you are going to see here. What do you do first? Find out, count the number of 5s I have written here. How many 5s are written here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many 5 written here? 6 times 6. Times which number I have written? 6 times 5 is written. Yes. Do you know the tables of 6? Do you know the tables of 6? Now, first you have to learn the table signs here. What is 6 times 5? 6 times 5 is equal to? 6 times 5 is equal to 30. Yes? Sure? 6 times 5 is equal to 30. Yes? 6 times 5 gives you, or 6 into 5 is equal to 30. If you want, you can check once more. 5 plus 5, add it, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 5, 30. So simple. Instead of going on adding this, if you know this, it's very easy. Yes, this is what multiplication is: repeated addition. Some examples are given. This we call as a multiplication fact. Yes. A small tip for you. This is why we are learning the multiplication. Yes. So, what is it? You learn the tables but don't want to use the fingers. Learn it by heart itself. But after your 6 tables and all, the other ones will be very easy. Okay. So, learn it nicely. Thank you.